back with another coding video, and today we are doing a drone game. So here, this person is John and this person's Sam. John's drone is automatic, so it just wanders around. You don't need to use the arrows. But we're gonna try to win the game by not letting John's drone touch Sam's. So we will have to control Sam's drone with arrows. So first, let's use John's drone to make it wander. So now let's do this. Wait, before I want to just tell you that don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. And share the video. So now we need to find the wandering block. And now it says sprite this begins wandering. So now we could put here. And now let's check if it's wandering. Start wandering. Now we need to make this drone move. So now sprite this begins. Wait, no. Let's check if this one works. Events. I'm going to copy and paste it. Now let's connect all these blocks and change it to this drone. And as you can see, I already put some of the codes already in, since they're like the simple ones. Now this could be east, south, west. So now we need to find the button that says when this arrow is, this one. So we put one here. Now let's just put it here, and now let's connect it. And now let's put this one to connect. Put this one right here. And this one right here. So now we put this is left. This is down arrow. And this is right arrow. Now I want to change this to, let's make it 30. So the more the pixels, the more the drone goes. Now this is 30. Now let's test the code. And now, to win the game, you can't let the drone touch you. And now let's put this to right because the code was a little opposite. Now we go to events. It says when this sprite touches that sprite, we need some words. It's like, oops, you lost, or this and that. So when that sprite touches that sprite, you remove the red one. So let's find that block. I'm gonna try to find the block and I'll come back. So I'm back and now I got this one, the block. It says remove this sprite when this sprite touches that. So now we need to make the player feel like what he did wrong. So now we type oops, you lost. Now let's check what happens. So the game works, but I want this sprite and this sprite to be a little smaller. So I'm gonna go to sprites and then we could put it to set sprite size to this. So I'm gonna copy and paste it. And now let's check it. Let's make it 100. No, that's too big. So let's make it 60. Yeah, 60 is a good size. And now let's check if the game works. And yeah, this is the drone game. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.